We still have about 85% of Oregon State here under some form of drought.
Wow.
The real issues that we're seeing here, the areas are Central Oregon, Southern Oregon. So it's really the spots east of the Cascades, away from the Portland metro area, and really the valley that is seeing the biggest brunt of this drought. And again, this drought is compounded after several years, even 2 decades of, again, below normal rainfall at times. And again, you can see that section of Central and Southern Oregon, and again, spots of Eastern Oregon, and mainly down towards the south, that are still seeing extreme to exceptional drought statuses right now. So this, will be an issue. A lot of folks in Portland, we see the rain, we think things are okay, but how this may affect you will be more costly goods, and possibly your favorite lake that you like to go to in the summertime may be shut down or will have restrictions. So again, we will see impacts all across the state, many more impacts for those farmers in the agricultural areas around, again, Central Oregon and Southern Oregon, around the valley too, as we head our way into the summertime. So that's why that declaration is in place. Take a look here at our observed monthly rainfall. So going throughout our most current water year, it always resets in October. So going back to October, we're looking at rain here that we've collected, and you can see here from October to January, we actually saw above normal rain. These were very soggy months for Portland here. But again, even that is not enough to cure our drought. We are seeing above normal rain even after February and March's below normal rainfall. But again, those 4 months didn't really do much to help our drought. We need years of excess rainfall to really make a change here to our drought status. So I still see issues going into the rest of the year too, and I'm sure a lot of professionals are also watching this very closely here. And we're still studying how this is going to affect the area. Yesterday, we saw a little bit of rain, just over 1/10 of an inch, about 1/4 out to Scappoose. There were some spots that saw some heavier showers going into yesterday. As we head our way into today, again, we're still under rain showers and just this unstable pattern. So today, we may still see some heavy downpours popping up across the afternoon, and that may even include some hail. But right now, it is pretty quiet as we start this morning here. Not quite seeing much rainfall, at least in Portland. That's your view of downtown. It's a drier start this morning. We may see a few showers trickling in across the morning hours, but it's around lunchtime in the afternoon that we'll really start to see those showers setting up here around Portland. So do bring the rain jacket with you. You will get hit by a few showers today. Here's our futurecast. You can see those rain showers setting up as we head our way into the morning time. Some could turn quite heavy by about midday through the afternoon. Some of these showers really picking up here. Now Tuesday night, we do dry up a little bit going into this evening. Now Wednesday will bring back some very light and weak showers to the afternoon. I still see better conditions tomorrow to get outdoors and avoid some of that rain, but we still may get hit by a few of these lighter showers here going into Wednesday. Thursday, back under another showery pattern here. Really each and every single day this week, we have a chance to see some rain. We're still just under this very unsettled and cooler pattern as we head towards the weekend. Saturday looks like quite the soaker too. We'll see a stronger system rolling in and rain back in the picture here as we start our weekend. A quick look up to Vancouver. You can see it's fairly dry, even mostly cloudy up there. Again, we'll bring in showers today for the valley. Our highs in the mid-50s. The coast may see some showers and breezy winds today with temperatures in the low 50s. So here's our 7-day forecast. Rain chances each and every single day, but still going with the driest days, likely Wednesday and Friday. Temperatures again will stay mainly in the mid to upper 50s, just a cooler week in store.